Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, welcome those of you who joined the train at Manchester. This is the 1307 service from Oxford Road, the 1311 from Piccadilly. Through to Scarborough, Corner Stanley Bridge, Huddersfield, Shrewsbury, Leeds, York, Bolton, Seamer and Scarborough. For those of you with 2 reservations, coach A's at the rear, B's in the middle and C's at the front, with the first class section being located in coach C. Just to let you know, we've got just the one working toilet on board, which is at the very front of the train. Just beyond that first class section, the toilet in the middle is locked out of use. So once again, the only working toilet is at the very front of the train. There is a catering service available. 7.5 drinks and snacks. Payments are cash only, unfortunately. The trolley will be making its way through the train. If you don't see it in the train, make your way to the first class section where you can be served. Next calling point will be Stanley Bridge.